Hi viewers, this is how you do 2 strands twist on your dreadlocks. Here my dreadlocks already have done a bun. You've sent 2 strands. You can get 2. In my case I will do 4 since mine are a bit thin. After you're through, you tie with one of them. Make sure it doesn't land when you release it. In case I've done so much down there. So this is one twist. I can get another one. This can also be done on braids. You do this to all of them. You can see they are thick. Oh, they look nice. Do this to the whole of the hand. Let's do the last one, then we'll finish up later. Looks beautiful. Make sure you tie backwards so that it does not land when you release it. Or you can use rubber bands, the black ones, or even colored. As you can see, that's how you do the 2-strand or 3-strand twist on your dreadlocks of your new braids. That's how it looks. Thank you for watching.